Yeah, well, so we're back. Yeah, from last week. And, alright, I had to fix that. And this week we're at Perry's house because I'm here for 2 days. Anyway, so we are making a lot of videos because I'm going to be here for a long time. So, welcome to the Perry and Cam show. That's what we decided to call this. Well, I decided, but it's okay. Anyway, so we had made a video before this, but then we deleted it because it was really weird and wouldn't upload.
I thought you were talking about the first Perry and Cam.
No, oh my god, we made a first one. That was so bad. It was like really, really bad. So we deleted it and started making this channel, which turned out a lot better. I mean,
we have like 20 videos up.
What?
No, not 20. We have like 8.
But still,
we have some viewers.
Yeah, we've gotten a lot of likes on it. Well, not really like on the videos, but then people come and tell us that they liked them.
They don't really have like YouTube.
You get what I'm saying?
We need you guys to
comment things we should do.
Rate,
subscribe. Because well, you know, we've had some questions. So one question. Somebody asked us, well, 2 questions for one person. But we still have only had one person ask us actual questions. And she wanted to know if we ever huffed.
No, we have not.
No,
we don't huff and puff and blow houses down.
Yeah, we're not the big bad wolf. Sorry. And if we'd ever peed ourselves on purpose.
No. We pee ourselves when we laugh too
When
hard.
we laugh too hard, we get really scared, but not like intentionally.
Yeah, so that's kind of weird. But we like that you questioned us.
Thank you.
Question us.
That was beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, stay tuned for our next video in 32 seconds.
Probably be like dancing or something.
Oh, yeah.
Not in the next one,
Yeah.
but soon.
Soon, yes.